Hi YouTube friend, I'm making a video this afternoon to teach you on how you can accessorize almost anything that you have at home. First of all, to start with, you would need whatever materials that you would have to use. For example, I have felt, okay, I have flowers, I have those little clips that I would be using, or either that one. So for whichever that you want to use, that would be fine. Okay, and last and not least, your glue gun, because that's very important. If you have to make your own thing, it's imperative that you have to have your glue gun. So basically, I have those shoes, I accessorize them, and those are open toe shoes. See, they are open toe. So what I did, I just make my own flower and just clip my flower right there. See, but make sure you use something that you don't have to scrape your shoes. See, I already scraped those shoes, but you can just make sure that you attach a little felt underneath right here. So if you, after you put it, and if you cut a little piece of cloth, or you have a little felt like that you can just put right here, you glue it right here. So what it does, when you clip it on your shoes, it's going to protect your shoes, so your shoes are not going to be damaged, because that material gets scratched very easily. So I just bring this one for show and tell, just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so when you make your felt, when you make your thing, you can basically accessorize your hair, you can accessorize your shoes, you can accessorize your bag. I have this one that's felt. So what you would do, you would add your glue right here, okay, and this is the one that I use. So what you do, once you put your glue, you just add your alligator clip or whatever clip, and what you do, you just squeeze it like that, and let for 1 second should be more than enough for that thing to dry, and that's what it looks like. And a lot of time I use this behind my head, and it sits very beautiful behind the head. So that's what it looks like, and that's how I accessorize my hair. And I have that dress. Let me remove those shoes. As you can see, I have a picture right here. That's me and my husband. So I purchased that dress. That dress that was for last Valentine. That's a purple dress. So I didn't want to dress like in pink. So I had a purple dress. I needed to dress purple and blue. And normally where I was going, I needed to wear a gown, but I wasn't in the mood to wear a gown. So once I purchased that dress, and I said to myself, let me accessorize the dress. So basically, I pin flowers right here, I accessorize the dress, and let me show you which flower that I use. I use this one for that matter. And a lot of people thought I purchased the dress like that. I bought that dress at Marshall. That was a very cheap dress, but that was the dress that I needed to wear. Okay, it wasn't for Valentine. That was for like whatever place that I was going in April. And I didn't really want to wear something long, and and the dress wasn't too beautiful in my opinion. So I pinned the dress with the exact same flower, and I use it also for my shoes. So that's me right here with that dress and with all of those flowers right here. Okay, so basically, if you want to accessorize anything that you have, you purchase your flower, you purchase your felt, you have your glue gun, and you make sure you have those little findings, and they're very easy to find. You find them at Joann Fabrics, Walmart, AC Mall. So you can either buy this one. So if you buy this one looks like that one, and if you use this little one, you can only use that one for your dress. So that means if you put it right here, you can only use this one for your dress, so it will be like a brooch. But if you use that one, this one can go on your bag, it can go on your shoes, it can go on your hair, it can go on your bag, it can go on your waist for your belt. You can even accessorize your belt if your belt is not pretty enough. So I have a lot to show you. basically you already saw my picture, right? And you saw the two shoes, and that's one hat I accessorized. Okay, this is the hat. I'll leave it right here for you. That's flower. That's the alligator clip. Okay, that's the alligator clip. So what I did, I add the glue right here, and what I did, you know, I cut a little piece of felt, put it right here, because if you put it on the alligator clip and you just put the glue, once you need to open it, you won't be able to. So you have to make sure that you add your glue on a little piece of felt and attach it on the alligator clip. See how beautiful is the alligator clip? Okay, so alligator clip hat, and that one for the hair, and this one I actually use it even on my boots. So I have a pair of long boots. I have, you know, quite more than one pair, but what I did, I just clipped that one on the side of my boots. Look very beautiful. So, you know, we ladies, we can do so many things to make ourselves look pretty. And look at this one, and even those little flowers. I don't know if I told you earlier in the video that I purchased those flowers at the 99-cent store. You can even make your own how do you call it again, your own corsage. So for example, this is the little elastic that we use to tie our when we have a ponytail or a bun, how you call it. So basically you can use this one. What you would do, you would add glue right here. Okay, you add your glue right here. Once you finish to add your glue, what you will do, you will pick up your flowers, and you just make sure that you attach your flowers right here. But you have to make sure that you find a little wire piece. If it doesn't have a wire piece, you will be in trouble. Or to make sure that you have some wide leaves. Okay, and what you would do, you will just clip it. Make sure you attach it on the thing. I actually did that last year. I was going to a banquet, and I do that also as gift for young kids. So you see how pretty it looks? So that's how you make your own corsage by yourself. So basically the video is to teach you how you can accessorize your hair, your bag, your shoes. Everything that is related to a lady can be accessorized. You go to the store, you see something that you like or not too sure if you really like it, you want to make it stand out, you can just accessorize by yourself. So hopefully you like that video. Keep me posted, let me know, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, and another one is coming soon. Take good care.